What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in to another episode. I appreciate each and every one of you that are taking the time to watch these videos. It is day number 1 of 3 days up north going salmon fishing. We do this every single year. We get a group of guys, get a house, and we just fish all day, every day for the entire time we're up here. We are going into day number 1. I was on the water for 15 hours. I had a couple bites. I did not get a single hookup. Bobber would go down, swing on it, and no one would be home. So this was the absolute marathon day. I was able to get some awesome footage of the other guys in the boat getting on some fish, so I hope you enjoy that. Before we get out on the river, I'm going to quick explain what my setup is, and then we'll get you out there so you can see what we have in store for you today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got probably 4 or 5 more of these videos with one incredible fish that you are not going to want to miss. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications so you get notified every single time I'm posting. Let's get you out there. Thanks for watching. So what I'm running this year, I've got a 10.5 foot Okuma SST medium heavy rod. Can hold up from 15 to 50 pound test. We fish in a lot of log piles here, so we normally like to run heavier leaders just because we are fishing between log piles. You're always getting sawed off by random branches and stuff under the water that you don't see. So I'm running 40 pound braid. I've got my Daiwa Tatula 7.3 gear ratio reel on this one, low profile. The rig that we run is basically the same as the others, just beefed up. So we still use our Raven 15 gram float that slides up and down, held by the rubber pegs. We got that on our braid. We have a 1/2 ounce floating weight that I leave above the leader with just a bead to protect the knot. We got that going to, I don't remember what size barrel swivel, just something beefy. These salmon are not line shy at all, so I'm not really too concerned about it. Down to a 25 pound fluoro leader, where we have that tied off with a egg loop knot on a 1/0 Gamakatsu hook. Heard nothing but good things about these. We really wanted to beef up our gear this year just because in years past we've used 20 pound and they've just sawn through it like it's nothing. So that's kind of the idea behind this rig, is have a little more beef to be able to put a little more of a hurting on them, keep them out of the logged areas where we're catching these fish, and hopefully have a better chance to get a bunch of them in the boat. Let's get you on the water and we'll get this thing rolling. What's up?
That's all it was. Didn't get dark watery over there, did they?
Yep. You beast, let's go. Oh my word. That's why we keep them over here. Right? Yes, sir. Ricky, you beast. I'm not taking it. I don't care.
Dude, I've had some.
I don't care. I'm not taking it. No. We have waited all day for this. I've waited all day for this. You've gotten into a couple this morning.
Looks like a male to me.
I couldn't tell. I didn't get a good enough look at the side of it. Nice work. We just saw, we were down farther below. It's been a slow day. Saw 2 fish roll over here in the last 10 minutes or so. Knew we had to come over, and within 10 minutes of being here, hooked up and...
Got the depth right, I think.
Yeah, I think you found it. Ooh, that's a freshie. Beautiful fish.
That is really clean. Oh, it's not a female. Female, dude. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at her. Look at that. We need those eggs.
Look at that fish. Big old skein ball, just right in the chops. Smoked it. Big old fresh fish. We have been out here all day searching. One small one this morning. It's been an absolute grind, but
It's all worth it now.
that just made it all worth it. Big old female. I thought that one was still kind of in the area with a little...
We'll go a little bit more that way. Let's get it in front of that guy right now. He looks hungry.
Nuh-uh. Oh my word, let's go.
You want this one?
No. That didn't take long. That hit the water like 2 seconds later, just dropped.
I'm sorry, Ryan. This is your fish.
What are you? Stop talking right now. Clearly you don't know me if you're apologizing about hooking into a freaking awesome fish.
That's fresh too.
Yeah,
That was probably that one that was just rolling.
had to have been as fast as that thing came up and smoked that. Nice work.
Who's in charge, Jeff? Oh, look how fast that thing is. It's another fresh fish.
Glad I changed out my batteries. Nice work. Got him.
Just to be clear, that is not the fish that we saw.
Yeah, that's a lot smaller than the one we saw roll.
Thanks, boys.
Fish number 2. He is hanging on by an absolute thread. Fish just rolled, cast over in front of him, just smoked a big gob of skein. Second fish of the day, nice male. Nice work, Jeff.
Thank you.
Let's get another one.
You ready, buddy? You feel like it? You want to go?
It's kind of coiled up like he's going to.
Full anchor.
Give it to him.
No.
Ryan, take it. Don't be too
Stop.
proud, man. Take the fish.
Oh, dude. You're gonna have to drive the boat for me, Jeff. Over to the middle of the river, please.
Attaboy, Ricky. It's gas is very touchy, but
Turn it straight out to the middle and just let it float back. Okay, good. Neutral. Turn the engine off. There you go.
Man, that thing took off.
If we can keep her close. Good night, dude. Look at that thing. How does it still have that much energy?
That is so cool. Nice. She's just taking you for a ride.
Left, right, left,
Yeah.
right.
You're in a perfect spot for her, though.
Yeah, that's why I don't see those logs back there. I don't want her to go any farther back.
And windshield wipers over here. Back and forth.
Yep. That thing is still so strong, man. How is this thing still so strong? Please tell me that.
It's a 30.
It's a machine. It's the machine.
It's a chromer, man. That thing is right. It's one of those fresh ones that's been jumping. My drag is tight, by the way, just so you know. Still doing that. All right, why don't you go ahead and pull anchor now? I got her tired out, and she's starting to come up in the water column.
You want to pull it up?
Pull it up and let's float. It'll be a way easier to net. I don't want to lose this fish because I'm trying to pull it upstream. Dude, are you kidding me?
Keeping you on your toes.
Good night. Are you kidding me? Okay.
Ooh, that's a clean one. Let's go. Just a beast of a fish. Right in the chops. Big old chunk of skein. Took Ricky for a ride. Incredible fish. Just an absolute monster. Nice. Man.